Okay, now is the end of July, and we are in the middle of the summer. There are no many events in Apache Cloudberry repository, but some of them need attention, and let's discuss it. No newcomers. I think not every week we will get newcomers, so we cannot expect it. So no newcomers. Let's move to the main repo. The first one notes about Iceberg. We've been developing Iceberg, and there is a discussion. Right now, we're discussing the interface, how to create Iceberg tables, what it should be, how to express it in terms of SQL. It's the main discussion here in our pull request. Welcome to join. If you have any opinion and have a good idea how to create tables, welcome. We took as example crunchy data extension and other extensions working with Iceberg from Postgres, but all of them need more thoroughly investigation and need to be changed in order to be applicable in Cloudberry. So it's the main discussion and what we are working on. Okay, let's move. Easy. We committed in release to stable a new extension Easy. Easy, it's old extension from Greenplum era. It could just download. You append only data to the S3 and then upload it back if you want to select it. So it's the other options to store cold data. Under the hood, it works with SMGR interface and just work it. That just work. You do not need to change your SQL or PL/PostgreSQL code. Everything works as expected, but under the hood, tables located not on the local tables, but in the remote storage in S3. We are going to adopt it to the main branch, but it definitely will take some time. But I think we will do it before the new release from the main branch. Okay, let's go. This week, these 2 weeks, we merged again some fixes for Orca. I not going to explain all the bug fixes because all 3 fixes is quite rare bugs we could need in Orca. They existed quite a long time, but they are quite rare, so no one stumbled it. But we fixed it. We fixed it. The first one with working non-standard collates and symbols processed by Orca. The second one is bug with working with partitions, partition without the data in Orca. And the third one is most important. Orca could lead to the wrong result in case of left join and the similar names in tables participating in a left join. Now it was fixed. Okay, go further. We have some pull requests. They are still under the development, and I want to ask to participate in discussions and to review pull requests or help authors to fix issues in those reviews. The first one is backport new kernel, new minor kernel 14.9 to real to stable branch. I think we want to merge it and release it with our new release 2.2, but it's just not ready, and we won't wait it anymore, but still want to merge this pull request. So this pull request needs some work, and it will be great if we merge it in the end. Second one is the bug in create index concurrently. Here we should investigate how to fix it. Again, bug in Orca, use after free in one of the functions. This pair just need to be reviewed. So welcome to review and welcome to see if it was fixed or not. Again, the second, not the second, it's fourth. It's again bug in the custom scan state while he working with parallel walkers. Custom scan nodes is quite important, so it's good to fix it. Here, the pair, welcome to see, welcome to review it. And the last comes yesterday. It's Orca, back in Orca. Orca not good with working, again, some quite rare situation with bitmaps and material scan shielding. So again, new pull request need to be reviewed. Also, we have new issues in our repository. They was reported for the 2 weeks. So if anyone want to solve something, so there is new issues, there is new challenges. What could be fixed in Cloudberry? The first is a bug about after vacuum worker and the high CPU consuming while after vacuum. It happens on segment nodes, not every time, but in some situations we perform too much work and burn CPU for performing after vacuum. Second, the next issue is pgstat.io. pgstat.io is a new statistics view from a new Postgres kernel. and that statistic view does not support append only tables. It will be great to see also append only table statistic in pg.io. Well, if anyone want to add that functionality to Cloudberry, welcome to contribute. And the third is idea to enable parallel vacuum. We just it will be great just to enable it. It will speed up vacuum. So right now we those functionality is enabled in Postgres, but disabled in our repository because it leads to log issues. What should be done? We should investigate why it leads to the log issues and enable parallel vacuum. So good task to solve. Quite interesting, according to me. Okay, it's all about the main repository. Let's move to the ecosystem and our extensions. The first one is Cloudberry PXF. I don't know, Nikolai is not here.
Okay, thanks, Leonard. Let me share some updates on the ecosystem modules.
Yes.
Okay. Let's continue, move on. The first one is about the Cloudberry PXF. The first one is the CI hardening work. Now we can make all the tests green about the Cloudberry PXF. Yeah, it's a great news. Since the last changes to the tests. So after that, we can test all the test cases for the pull requests to the Cloudberry PXF. Yeah. Recently, we also have made some security updates to the Cloudberry PXF via the GitHub dependent about notification. Yeah. Okay. Such as some Go components and read the wrapper version to a new version. Yeah. Also, we want to add the Postgres 16 support to the Cloudberry PXF CI workflow, but we need to cherry pick the Rocket Lens 10 support from main to our release to stable branch for in the main Cloudberry repo. Yeah, then we can go on this work. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all for the Cloudberry PXF. Next, Cloudberry backup. We also did some security updates to the Cloudberry backup via the GitHub depend about alerts. Yeah. Okay. I think it's the same to the Cloudberry Go Labs. Yeah. The last one is about the Odyssey, the new version. I think it's also maintained by our index team. I believe since this new version, Odyssey has added also has added the support to Cloudberry. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, it's officially supported. We support Cloudberry unofficially, so it just works and all. And now we we write it in
Okay.
release notice to just to show people that hey, Cloudberry is working with Odyssey, and Odyssey is working with Cloudberry, so you could use Odyssey as a pooler.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a great news for our Cloudberry project. Yeah. I also repost this great news across our Cloudberry channels to let more people to know, to be aware of this news. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. The next is the board side. Recently, we upgraded the website system, Docker servers, to the latest version. Some APIs were changed, but I think they don't have too many effect to our technical writer or other developers. Yeah. Also for the docs, I just added the Odyssey and the WordG support to the ecosystem to let more people can be aware of this new ecosystem news. Yes, when they visit the Cloudberry site, they can see the new ecosystem support for Cloudberry. Also, there is one new page named Project History, just lists the key milestones from Cloudberry launch to the latest milestones, so people can have an overview for Cloudberry. The last one is a routine for the page Cloudberry was Greenplum. The new content is focusing on the new parts or new features brought in Cloudberry, so people can have a clear sense of what's new in Cloudberry. Yeah. I think if you are interested, you're welcome to visit the new pages.
Yeah, here that page is about comparison Cloudberry with open source Greenplum, right? Not enterprise version.
Yeah.
Well, because Greenplum have enterprise versions with different features, and you should pay for that features. So just different story, different kind of story.
Yeah.
So we compare with open source version. Those we use for free.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So I think the original page is also auto update, so it may be confused to the users, right? Okay, the next one is about marketing and events. Thanks Leonard to paste these sessions, which have been approved and scheduled to the conference. There will be 7 topics on Apache Cloudberry in the coming community or code conference. Yeah. Across different tracks. So thanks to the speakers and everyone for their sessions.
Yeah, I think we should add some notes about Asia over Code. The first note is that there is no live translation. So if anyone wants to see it online, he should be, personally be on the conference. So there is no translation. But Asia over Code usually posts videos on YouTube with some lag. I do not know how big is lag. Maybe some months. Well, but the old video on YouTube and I don't know. Maybe this conference also will be posted on YouTube.
Yeah, the videos, there will be the recordings for those sessions. I think these videos will be uploaded to the YouTube after in the following months after the conference.
Yeah. So even if you don't have a chance to be on the conference, you could see videos on YouTube and see the speeches. For example, Max Young will be speaking about the Apache Cloudberry, about the whole project. What is it? Max said it will be in Chinese. So you have two options. Is it to study Chinese or just use automatic services for translating Chinese to English?
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay, 7 topics. Let's move on about Sydney.
Yeah, this year we'll have the community or code sitting in Australia. If I'm not sure, who can be there? Just share this news. Yeah.
Well, Australia is great. It's a different part of our globe, so it's a one. Yes. Okay. I think it's always marketing and events. Let's move to the CI and releases. We are preparing to the new release 2.2. So we merged special scripts to our ecosystem repositories, Cloudberry Backup, Cloudberry PXF, and Cloudberry Go Libs. Those scripts just create binaries and publish those artifacts in GitHub artifacts storage, and we should we will use it for releases. Okay, next one is about consolidation CI workflows. I think it's the work have been done by Jinjin. So let's share with us your thoughts.
Yeah, I think these two PRs are waiting to be merged. I just need to address the comments by GitHub Copilot. Yeah, once done, we can push forward to merge these pull requests into the main branch. These two PRs are aimed to consolidate the CI workflows using matrix strategy from different CI workflow files into only one single file. So we can scale different scale to add more new operating systems to the CI workflow. It will make it much more easier. Yeah, and but this changes is without the main tests change. Yeah, so we can also the time costs. It will be same to the old CI workflow, but please note that if one of the tests failed, it will take more 5 or 10 minutes than the original CI workflow. So, but I think we can also accept the timeout for the failed tests if it happens.
Yeah, yes, but yeah, okay. There will is a gap between failing and knowledge that it failed, but we will have we don't have 5 workflows and 5 files with workflows. We will use after merging. I think we will use two workflow files.
Yeah.
For 5 operation systems, it will be easier to maintain and it will be easier to fix it, because right now there are 5 identical, practically identical files who runs separately. But after merging, we have 2 files, and maybe in the end we will merge it in one file. Why not? Just
yeah. So when for the future pull request, it will be tested across 5 different operating systems in parallel. Yeah.
Yeah. While it's so complex, well, because we have 5 operating system, and we should check if everything is works correctly in different operation systems. So it's hard task. We cannot afford to skip tests, and we tried to launch it weekly or once a day. Well, but it works not so good, because you will miss something, and you should fix it after the merge. Well, if of course it's good that you know about bug, but you should fix it. Someone not the author should volunteer to fix bugs. It's not so interesting task. Frankly speaking, it's quite boring to fixing bugs, especially not your bugs. Someone add it to your repository, and well, you usually don't want to. Well, so the main goal is to just improve our code and to get rid of a copy of code between workflows. Okay. Cool. Packaging RPMs. Packaging for RPMs.
Yeah. This PR, I hope we can support the RPM package to add the to support to install Cloudberry in the special folder or different directories, not the default path. If people want to that, so you it also this PR will support. We can install the different major Cloudberry versions in the same operating systems, like such as the major 2 or the major 3. They can coexist in the same operating system. Yeah, and I think welcome this PR has been ready and passed all the tests, and hope to have your review and comment on this.
Okay, great. It could be done only for RPM-based repositories. Debian-based doesn't have such functionality. You cannot change path you install it. You install your Debian package. So, but lucky for RPM-based repositories, you could use prefix and you could use your own directory to install binaries. It's I always hate that in Debian-based repositories because started my work with RPM-based, and it's quite convenient to use your own prefix because it's your installation. You decide where to install, not the package maintainer. Especially it's true for system administrators. They want to create their own systems, their own locations. Okay, release 2.2. I think we are ready to release 2.2. I'm going to start discussion today about releasing. Before that, we want to add Rocky Linux 10 in CI workflow in PXF. Maybe we could work on pull requests in parallel, or is it forbidden? We should merge it and then start voting. Jinjin, what's your?
Yeah, I think just as described here, I think we can do this work in parallel. First, we can cherry pick the commits from main to the release branch for our 3 projects, including the Cloudberry core repo, Cloudberry PSF, and Cloudberry backup, and especially for the Cloudberry core repo, after the Postgres 16 kernel is merged with there are some commits. They are still can be applied to our Postgres 14 kernel, right? So that's like the Rocky Linux 10 support. We added the commits after the Postgres kernel upgrade. So we needed to cherry pick them from the main branch to our release branch. I think so. After that, at the same time, we can add the Rocky Linux 10 support to the PXF CI workflow to verify if it does work in the Rocky Linux 10, right? Yeah. But I think we can after the cherry pick work done. I think and the PXF CI work. I think we can add the 2.2 tag to this project, and then we can go forward. Just to follow the release runbook. Yeah.
Okay, let's work with pull requests, merge it, and start voting. Okay. Well, release runbook is great. We're still waiting, but it's not the stopper for the release. It's just our instructions how to release.
Yeah, I hope I finish the polishment for the document in the early days next week. Yeah, that's it for my news. I said the framework and the details they have been set down just to polish them. Yeah, to make it more read friendly.
Yeah, great. Okay, that's all for our topics. If anyone have open topics or open ideas, it's time to share with us. Okay. Thank you very much for participating and for all your work in Cloudberry project. Next meeting, I propose to shift next meeting to the end of August because after 2 weeks from now, we will have Asia Overcode, and we will be really busy in participating in the conference. Practically, the whole community will be on the conference, so well, it's hard to create online meeting parallel to your speeches. Well, I propose to shift it to the for the full weeks and schedule our next meeting on the 21st of the August.
Okay, the schedule looks good to me. Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's all for now. Thank you for all of yours. Let's. I think let's meet in person on the conference.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.